What's the meaning of Big Daddy? Big Daddy. Big Daddy.
Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Big Daddy is an informal term that typically refers to a man who is considered powerful, influential, and respected within a certain context, such as in a workplace, sports team, or social group. The term can also be used more affectionately to refer to a father figure or an older man who is looked up to and admired. In some contexts, Big Daddy may have negative connotations, implying that the man in question is arrogant or domineering. Overall, the meaning of Big Daddy depends on the specific context in which it is used, but it generally conveys a sense of authority, leadership, and respect.